Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjenjari la di. Papinyin kerpang kini. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Usembut mitrang ba kajala ba persatuan tensong luong ba unsa khot ïakren biang ya ka harijan panchayat komiti HPC tang sudap penkre ya ka blueprint habakran hakilat pathai kebor ba persatuan luong ba la patharu ya ka trat urban affairs ban pandap no ya ka blueprint halo ka jingtrowa ka sorkar ban penkre ai kibriu na Them Ïewmawlong haswa ka kasantrik jumang arja arpuan luong ru ba ka sorkar kan ap ya ka rai na ka miglia high court lada ka jingkran kampoi she ru bat banram ba kadang kloi palat na banta kinong persya ban persya ya ka jingkran bat ka HPC kepada wajaka hadu sipo eka nak Sorkar.
No, I don't say anything right now because I've already told also in the press. Demand was there, no doubt about it, in the form of resolution from that particular community. But again, the discussion is still on. We are preparing our stand from the government side, and very soon we are going to hand over to them. So let them think whether it is agreeable or not. Because this is only, see, right now, in fact, the Honorable High Court wishes if, outside court settlement can happen, nothing again. So therefore, on that basis, we call them, we discuss with them. So negotiation is still on. Therefore, whoever says that if government does this, that, I think it is too immature to say anything because the discussion is still on. So we will not also just blindly succumb or accept the proposal made by these people. It has to be balanced out. It has to be balanced out. So let us see. And then suppose if we cannot reach to a solution, we cannot reach anywhere in the discussion that we have, then let the court decide. I've already asked Urban Affairs Department to work out all this, and once that is done, then we will submit to them the blueprint of the government, and again I will invite them for discussion.